G'day guys, Luke here. Welcome back to another video. Now before this video starts, you might have read the title. I've been sent a gift from Reptile One Australia or Team One brand, depending what the title is. Please ignore the hair and the shirt as I just got home and had a shower from a busy day at work. Came home and there's a parcel at the door for me. Now I'm not being paid or being sponsored by Reptile One. They sent me a message on Instagram asking to send a thank you gift. So I'm not being paid or anything, like I said. This is more my thanks to them for sending me out a parcel, which was totally unexpected. So Reptile One or Team One brand, if you're watching this, thank you guys for the gift. Whatever it is, I'm sure I'll be happy with it. So make sure to follow these guys on Facebook and Instagram. So you got Aqua One, Avia One, Pet One, what's the other one here? Pond One and Reptile One. So go and find down in the description. There might be a link to Reptile One Australia on Instagram or Team One as a brand down in the description. But yeah, make sure you go and follow these brands on social media as these guys do make awesome gifts. So let's cut this open and see what they delivered to me today. Don't know what it is. Around the box it was a pink and purple gravel. But I shook the box. Doesn't sound like gravel. It sounds something more, I don't know, plastic-like. Hang on. Trying to stand up and cut. By the way, never try this at home, cutting while standing up and pointing the knife to you. That was a stupid mistake. Come on, you stupid. Usually we'll have a table. No, not today. Ugh. So, this is from Reptile One. The box in a box. Oh, cool. Hang on, chuck that down. Send me a little keyring thing. Reptile One, thank you very much. Not sponsored, nor not being paid. This is more of a thank you gift from them and me thanking them for this. Oh wow! Send me all sorts of stuff. How cool! Oh, so there's a little letter here. Hi Luke, we would like to personally thank you for your continued support this year and being a part of the growing Reptile One community. And enclosed some goodies for you and your reptiles. We wish you all for the best for 2021. Reptile One team. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate that. I'll hang this somewhere so I can always look on it. So they sent me a mini IR. So this is more for your temperature thing. Very awesome. They sent me some fake plants. What's this called? Kasei rainforest plant. Very sweet. A Reptile One thermometer. Very cool. Oh yeah, tattoos. Sweet. So there's one from Reptile, one for all your furry lovers out there. Aqua One stuff. Very nice. What's this here? This little yellow thing. Stickers. I like stickers. I can always put these around somewhere. So some stickers. So you got your dog and cat one. So look, dog and cat. Got your fish and your lizard. So if you are a reptile brand and you want to send me some stickers, I will happily take those. You don't need to sponsor me or anything. Another box. What's in this? You got me Reptile One. You have seriously spoiled me. Can't thank you guys enough for this. So, if you, like I said before, go and follow these guys on social media. They are awesome. What's this? Is this a little rock? Oh, wow. Cool. Artificial Venus flytrap thing. Awesome. Really enjoy that. So, what I'm going to do with all these Reptile One stuff, I'm going to put them in maybe one or two of my Reptile One enclosures. As you know, these are Reptile One products. I want to make sure they've got something Reptile One. So that's pretty cool. So thank you Reptile One in Australia for sending me these awesome gifts. I wasn't expecting this. Yeah, I was expecting, like when you told me you want to send something out to me, I was expecting maybe a fake plant or maybe a hide or something. But sending me these gifts, this is awesome. Can't thank you guys enough. So make sure you follow them on social media, guys. And thank you Reptile One Australia. Merry Christmas to everyone who's watching this. This is pretty cool. Let's get, I'll hold all of these up so you have a better look. So yeah, like I said, I'm not sponsored. I'm not being paid. This is more of a thank you video to them. So like I said, let's have a look. So you get again. So you got your tattoos, got your stickers. I'm keeping these stickers, so don't ask me. Tattoos, I might do something with them. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. So you got your thermometer and your temperature gauge. Thank you very much. Put these back down. And your artificial plants. How cool. So yeah, thank you guys. Now I'm not, trying to milk this or anything, but if any other company or if Reptile One, if you're watching this, if you guys ever want me to review a product or if you want to send gifts out, I'm more than happy to take them, I wasn't expecting this, after a year that everyone's had. So I hope everyone's kind of holding in on what's going on. Everything will get better soon, I know that. So this is amazing. Like, I was not expecting this. So like I said before, thank you Reptile One Australia and the Team Reptile One brand for doing this deal. Or yet again to send these gifts out. This is just amazing. So thanks for guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me down in the comments down below where I should put these artificial plants and these little thermometer bits and pieces. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you all in another video.